The digestive system is made up of digestive tract, a series of hollow organs joined in a long twisting tube from the mouth to the anus, and the other organ that help the body break down and absorb food. Organs that makes up the digestive tract are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Digestion begins in the mouth when you chew and swallow, and it completes in the small intestine. Swallowed food is pushed into the esophagus, which connect the throat above with the stomach below. The stomach has three mechanical tracts. First, it stores the swallowed food and liquid. Second, it mixes up the food digestion juice produced by the stomach. Third task of the stomach is to empty content slowly into the small intestine. Nutrients absorbed from the intestine. It reacts the liver via the portal vein and are processed and redistributed according to the body requirement. It also produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder for discharging into stomach. The gallbladder stores the bile juice, which is secreted from the liver and drained through the hepatic duct. When the food is consumed, the gallbladder releases bile via the common bile duct. Finally, the digested nutrients are absorbed through the intestinal wall, transported throughout the body. The waste products of these processes include indigestion part of the food, which expel through the anus by the bowel movement.